Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up the upload of orders from Ecwid to Asana. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Asana you can create tasks based on new orders from Ecwid, conveniently store, process and interact with it in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. To get started, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Now you need to specify an action. If you want to receive new orders, select Get Orders New. At this stage, you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your login and password to your Ecwid account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, you can edit the settings. This system does not provide additional configuration, so just click Continue. At this point, you can set up a data filter. In this case, this is not necessary, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see the test data. If everything suits you, click Next. At this point, the configuration of the Ecwid data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Choose Asana as the system. Next, you need to select the action Create Task. At this stage, you need to connect your Asana account to the ApiX-Drive system. Enter your email and password to your personal account Asana. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, select the workspace and project to which new orders will be transferred. After that, fields with order details will appear, fill them out. To add a variable, click in the message field and select it from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. To move to a new line, press Enter. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. Now you see an example of the data that will be sent to Asana when new orders appear in Ecwid. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Asana. After successful sending, go to Asana and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this stage, the data reception setup in Asana has been successfully completed. Next, you need to enable Auto Update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.